Welcome to my channel. NETGEAR N300 Wi-Fi Gaming Router Setup. Unpack the router, ensure all components are present: router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and manual. Position the router, place the router in a central location for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Connect to power, plug the router into a power outlet using the provided adapter. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the router's Internet 1 port. Turn on the modem and wait for it to establish a connection. Turn on the router, press the power button if available, and wait for the LED indicators to stabilize. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to one of the router's LAN ports, or connect wirelessly using the default Wi-Fi credentials printed on the router label. Open a browser, launch a web browser on your connected device. Use the default login credentials: username, admin password. Check the firmware update section in the router's web interface. Download and install any available updates to improve performance. Thanks for watching.